Good morning, everyone. So, in yesterday's class, we started chapter number 1, pattern. We are done with our part 1 video. Today, we are doing exercise 1.1. Okay. So, as we already discussed, there were so many types of patterns. For example, tell me which one. Yes, Deepika Chaurasia. Counting numbers. Yes, which? Odd number sequence. Good. Even number sequence. Yes, Ria. Triangular number sequence. Yes, Ritika. Square number sequence, cube number sequence, etc. There were we discussed so many types of patterns. Sit down. In yesterday's class, today we will start our exercise 1.1. Note down question number 1. What question number 1 is saying? Yes. Read question number 1. Choose the correct options. Which one of the following sequence represents a Fibonacci sequence? Okay. As we studied this earlier in yesterday class, yes, Gitansh, tell me what is Fibonacci sequence? Out of the 4 options, which one represents Fibonacci sequence? Yes? No, not that. You are wrong. Sit down. Yes, Garvit. Tell me which is Fibonacci sequence? 1 1 3 5 8 3 B1 1 2 4 8 16 32 1 1 2 3 5 8 या फिर last one 1 3 6 10 15. Okay, so you are saying option number C represents Fibonacci sequence. Okay, sit. Let us check this. It is correct or not. What I told you in yesterday class that Fibonacci sequence always starts with 1 and then we have 1. We will add the previous term. 1 plus 1, what we have? Then we have to add 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, then 5 plus 3. So this is Fibonacci sequence. What you have to do, you have to write the answer. Option number C is the correct answer. Yes, directly answer. You have to write like this. Option C is the correct answer. Yes, you have to only write the answer because there is no solution required. Moving on to next part of the same question. If the sequence, you have to tick the option that option C is the answer, then you have to write option C is the correct answer. Clear? Yes, second part. If the number 144 is both a square number and a part of another sequence, which sequence it is a part of? The question is saying that कि जो 144 है, either it is a square number और ये एक और sequence है, what is it? So we have to find out the sequence. As I know this is Fibonacci sequence, we have to calculate the sequence using numbers. Okay. I am writing 1. Then we have 1. Adding 1 and 1, what we have? 2. Then 2 and 1, 3. Then 5, yes. After that, then 13. Then add 8 and 13. Yes, add fast. 21. After that, the next number is add 21 and 13. It is. Then next number will be 60, 55. Yes, it is correct. Then add 55 and 34. Yes, Ritika, add. What it is? This is 89. Now let's add 89 and 55. Everyone add 89 and 55. What will be the next number? Tell me. 9 and 5, 14, and 8 and 5, 13, and 1 carry 144. This is the number we want now in the question. We get the number 144. The question is saying the number 144 is both a square number and a part of another sequence. So the name of the sequence is Fibonacci sequence. You have to write all the numbers and after that option C is the correct answer. Understand? Let's move on to next part of question number 1. Yes, the next question is which of the following correctly represent the sum of the first 4 triangular numbers? Triangular numbers we have studied. Tell me what are that? Triangular numbers. First 1, then after that we have to add 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. What is it? 10. What we need to do? We add, the meaning of sum is add. We have to add the number, first 4 triangular numbers. These are the first 4 triangular numbers. Add them and tell me kitna aega. What is the sum? The sum is 20. Option C is the correct answer. What you have to do, I told you that how to find triangular numbers. Yes, look over here, everyone. How to find out triangular numbers? 1. Then after that we have to add 1 plus 2. Then next 1 plus 2 plus. Then next ऐसे so on करते जाना है. We will get triangular numbers. The first triangular number is then 1, 3, 6, 10. These are the triangular numbers na. 1, 3, 6, 10. The question is asking us to add them. First 4 number. Add. Sum means we have to add the 4 numbers. When we add the 4 numbers, what we get? 20. 20 is the answer. Option C is the correct answer. Now it is clear. Let's move on to next part. Fourth part. Which of the following is the fifth term in the sequence of cube numbers? As we already discussed cubes, so tell me the cube of 1. Yes, what is the cube of 1? Yes, the cube of 1 is 1. The cube of 2? No, I'm asking cube. Cube of 2 is 8. Yes. The cube of 3? Yes. The cube of 4? And the question is asking the cube of 5. So which is the answer? Option B is the correct answer. You have to write 5 cube equals to 125. This is how you will write this. Okay? Yes. Yes. Moving on to next question. Question number 2. Why are the numbers 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 called triangular numbers? So the question is saying that Q 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 triangular numbers hai. So can I write the answer on the next page? The numbers. What are the numbers? Tell me. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, are called triangular numbers because they visually represented using dots and they form a shape of triangles. So what the question is saying that 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, why they are known as triangular numbers? As we already know, 1, 3, 6, 10, 15 are triangular numbers. But why the name of the pattern is triangular numbers? Just because when we use dots and using our visualization, the shape will become like a triangle. Okay, let us check. What is the first number? Tell me. What is the first number? So we have to draw a single dot. After that, 3. तो single dot के बाद कितना dot आएगा? We have 2 dots. So we have to put 2 dots and we have to make this 3. We have to put dot just above that. Okay, this is 1 and this is 3. After that, in the base, can you check there is 1 dot? Now there is 2 dot. Only base में 2 dot है. Now we needed 3 dot. And we have to make this 6. How should we make this 6? And this will look like a triangle. That's why it is known as triangular number. Then we have 10. The base. The base are the base has 4 dots. This will look like a again triangle. So on. This is how we do this question. Yes, you have to do this question. Of course, this is dots. You have to draw them. Yeah, you can use pencil. Moving on to next question. Question number 3. Yes. Question number 3. Why are the numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 refer to a square number? Why we call these numbers a square number? Yes, so we have solution 3. The numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 referred as square numbers because why 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 are square numbers? As just because they represent they represented as a square using dots. So we have to again draw visualization of square numbers. How we will draw the visualization of square numbers? Tell me. We need to draw single dot in first part. In next part, how many dots? But we have to make 4. So base is 2 and we have to draw just above them to make it 4. Clear? It is drawn? Yes. Now we have to draw 9. But the base is 3. Yes, 3, 3, 3. We have to draw like this. 3, 3, 3. Clear? Next, what we have to draw? 16. The base is? The base is 4. We have to draw like this. 4, 4, 4. Yes. 4 rows, 4 columns. Lastly, we have to draw 25. So what we have to draw? 5 and 5. 5 times. This is how you will represent it visually. You have to draw this exactly. Yes. Note this. Yes. Note this, then we will do the next. Let's move on to next question. Hurry up. Yes. So the next question is, you can draw the dots at your home now. You know the concept how to draw the dots. Yes. Next question, question number 4. Why are numbers 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 known as cubes? So we have to write, this is fourth question. Yes. The numbers 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 known as cubes cube because they are arranged in the form of cubes. So that's why they are known as cube numbers, because they are arranged in a shape of cube. Clear? You can draw cube as well. At page number 8 you have cubes. Okay, you can draw them. This is page number 8. These are the cubes. Yes, you have to draw only 3, not fourth one. Only 3. Yes. So moving on to next questions. This is the last question we will do of this exercise. Why are 1, 6, 15, 28, 45 are called pentagonal numbers. How can these numbers to represented visually? Draw the next number in the sequence using a picture in your notebook. Okay, so let's do this. Fifth question. The number 1, 6, 15, 28, 45 are called pentagonal numbers because it represents pattern of dots. How it will be drawn? You can draw one dot. Then how should you draw it? You have to draw like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 6 dots. You can draw randomly but in a pentagonal shape. Then we have to draw 15 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You have to make at least 15 dots. Likewise, 1, 6, 15. Then 28. You have to draw only dots. Okay? To represent the pattern. These are pentagonal numbers. Yes, sit down. Sit, both of you. This is the last question of this class. In next class, we will start our exercise 1.2. This is all about our exercise 1.1. Thank you, everyone.